President jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee bat udekot ke yang dor bartau an Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary uba Vincent Pala mentaga sni ulayat ho baka noya lamba hakli do jangka Congress kam sngo tenat ya ka jinglet ya sno jangki sangut ki Congress MLA bat ke sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance palalam khmat dak useng sanhi masima National People's Party. Habakran hakilat pathai khubor uba pala ulayat ho ba ulayo yaki katu katni ki jingpen sngo na ki dekhot ke MPCC yakini ki MLA but unsa pha ek report shaka noya lamba hakli do jongka seng Congress bakan aya ka rai jongka.
In the meeting there was a few leaders who suggest that we should take a strong action against the MLA. We cannot compromise our ideology. There are also a few leaders because Rapsang also was there, Meralbon was there. They also suggest that give them time for some time. There are also a few leaders who said that I think it's time for the Congress to think properly how to evolve with whom we work. Bamera has said that if we can work together in Maharashtra with the Shiv Sena, why not working here? So like that, different views. But as soon as I complete my press conference here, I will send the letters of different suggestions to Delhi. It's out of my jurisdiction to take action against the CLP and MLAs. That action will be taken by the High Command. So the action will be taken by High Command after we keep the reports. So definitely maybe at night I'll get the direction, and I may not be here because my mother is serious. I have to go home. But maybe tomorrow I'll request Pynshitom and Baroni to give a press briefing, whatever the outcome of the sanctions given by the High Command. But tentative, I can boldly say that the High Command is not in favor of 5 MLAs joining the MDA when I discuss with them now over phone. So definitely they will take an action. They told me that they'll be having a meeting. They'll take appropriate actions. Be suspended. What I could hear, whatever they say, the MLAs may be suspended, and then a show cause notice will be given to them why they should not be expelled because of they have not taken a decision before joining the MDA government. So these are the few things which we have had a meeting and had a discuss in short with the High Command because they are standby waiting for me to talk to them after the meeting.
To be very clear that the action to be taken against these 5 MLA, it is not in the hand of the MPCC, as our president already said. What outcome of today's meeting? We just sent a report to Delhi, ICC, and then we are waiting for the action from the ICC. That's all.
So I don't know, but definitely when they left without consulting us, it's not a question of infighting. Maybe they have their own interest, they have their own, own plan, own vision. So I don't think that I was talking to Madam Amprin yesterday also, and she told me, sir, we cannot afford to live to stay in the opposition. That's the main reasons.